Welcome to the first day of our CNY Vlogma challenge, and let's kickstart with a little fun fact. Well, in Hong Kong, you are not supposed to buy new shoes during the Lunar New Year. The reason being is that shoes in Cantonese is hai, and that sounds like the sound when you feel defeated or sad, like hai. So there's a saying that if you buy new shoes during the Lunar New Year, you have a lot of time throughout the year. Well, I'm not encouraging anyone to be superstitious. Today I'm actually planning to get a new pair of shoes because my desert boot has been with me for 5 years now. And regarding the condition, I think it's indeed the right time for it to retire. So yeah, let's go! Hello, Mommy! 你又換衫褲啊？好啦，我等你啦。Okay, we are not doing an ad for this beauty brand, but every time when I go shopping with my mom,好啦，咁衫褲就換完啦。我哋今日嘅主要任務就係去睇鞋啦。呢對似係咯。想買呢啲冇可愛啦。好。
佢女裝咧係冇男裝呢啲牛津鞋。
對50% off， 不過一定要係正價咯。睇先。My favorite size cappuccino. Actually, if you come later, you'll be able to witness the sunset right next to the window. Today is really shiny, so yeah. But I do recommend this cafe, so I'll put the link in the description box below so you can see.